Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel, Septeria 18. I have a triple pocket insert, which is a really easy project which you can make in 5 minutes, and you're only needing one piece of 6x6 paper to create this cute little pocket style. You can also make them in different sizes. You can use your 12x12 paper, A4 size paper, any size paper that you have. You don't even need to measure your papers. You can just play around with it till you find the right size that you like for your pockets to store all of your goodies or tags, ephemeras, or whatever you like. So this one here is the one that I made with a 6x6 paper, and I had shown it on my Instagram as well, and I had done a quick little speed up tutorial as well on how you could make this really fun pocket. And so it's another great thing about this pocket is there's not a lot of embellishing, so you don't have to think too much about how to decorate and embellish your pocket. And I'm also going to show you a couple of different ways that you could change your pocket as well if you wanted to make your pockets a little bit different. But this is what I'm going to show you, and I've made another one in a more junk journal style theme. So if you are more into junk journal and not into these fun pop colors, you could also make them to suit your theme in your pocket style for your crafting. But this one here is really cute. Over here is the one of the pockets, and I've just placed again just some of my little embellishments that I've made, which you've probably seen a few times in my videos. I put a package, ephemera packaging, and then I've just cut up some like a cardstock paper to create a little note card style tag. And then here I embellished it with one of my fringe nail embellishments, which I had shown in one of my videos. Really simple embellishment, and it just fits perfectly on this pocket. And this is an ephemera that I just stuck to the back of the little fringe embellishment. So this was the front pocket. So that's the pocket there. And then up here I've got a packaging with a bag topper. I called it a bag topper with a pocket for your tag. Instead of adhering your tag onto your bag topper, it actually is part of the topper, and then there's your little tag which you can write your message. And I thought this was a really great way to dress up your packaging, and you can have fun embellishing the front. I also have a tutorial on how you can make these bag topper with a tag. So I really like this idea. It was really fun to make. And this is one of my paper patchwork pockets that I'd made that's inside the self-sealing bag. So that is the top pocket up here. I'll just bring this one to show you. So that is the top pocket, and that was the front. And then onto the back there is another pocket here. Again, just some simple embellishing, and then I've placed some more of my embellishments that I've made. These were fun to make. It's another embellishment, and a mini file folder which I'd made using my mini envelope punch board. It's just another cute little spot to write a note. So that is the other pocket. So there's the 3 pockets, 1, 2, and 3. And then I had also made one with a shabby or a junk journal style theme with a shabby theme papers, and it's really cute. Now this one here is slightly different. I added a little tuck spot onto the pocket, so there is actually 4 pockets if you include the little tuck spot that I've made onto this cute little pocket insert. So again, this is the front pocket. I added some fun stuff in here, and you can see that it's not bulky, so you can probably still send this as flat mail, and I'll show you what I put in here, which still makes it a nice flat style packaging if you want to send some ephemeras and tags to somebody that likes to do junk journaling or into that sort of style theme. So again, this is the front pocket. Again, I've just placed some ephemeras and little bits and pieces from my stash, and then I made a little note booklet using some of my tea dye stain papers. I just tore the papers and made it into a little booklet. So that was really cute to make. And I did staple the booklet. I was going to sew it with, but I didn't have time because I wanted to do the video. So I did staple the booklet, and then I added some washi to bind it on the inside and the spine to cover the staple. So I didn't want that shown, but this turned out really cute. I had just had some leftover tea dye stain paper and just made that into a booklet. I've got here some vellum packaging, some vellum die cut packaging with a bag topper. And then over here is the little tuck spot that I've made, which is a cute little spot to add some tiny ephemeras. So these are just some little small ones. And that was just perfect to fit in there. And then up here is the top loading pocket. And I made one of these, I don't know what you call it. It's like just a little booklet full of just some bits and pieces of fabric, some doilies, and just some torn papers that I tea dyed. And I think this is a great little way to give to somebody, and then they can use some of these little bits and pieces and they can make some little clusters. They could use them as embellishments, and they can just tear it off the little cover. I think this is just a great way to just keep some of your bits and pieces together as a little gift. And you can still make things with these little pieces of paper. And then I've also got a tag. And then onto the back is the other pocket, and I added an ephemera, and I did lightly distress the die cut or the ephemera just lightly with some vintage photo by Tim Holtz, and placed a cute little satin ribbon there just to finish off the pocket. And this is a cut apart from a 12x12 paper, and I just made a little fold up, little folder type thing. Another place if you want to, you can add some packaging and then just adhere it to the folder here. You can use it as a note. Just another little extra to put in there. I also made it using a music note page that I had from a music book that I have, and I just made that into this pocket. So this is a little extra tuck spot. So it's the same, just with a little extra one. And I'm going to show you how to make both of these. And also just another idea for you too, if you've got single-sided paper, and what you could do to also just to cover up the white part, which I'll show you, because I'm going to use a single-sided paper. So I'm going to show you another alternative if you wanted to do that, which is actually this one here. So it's the same as this. But you can see here I've got that extra piece here to create a angle style insert. But I'm going to show you all the different ways. So all you need, you want to grab your 6x6 paper. Again, you can use any size paper. This one here is slightly bigger, wider, sorry. It's just by coincidence, they're actually the same height, but it is a little bit wider. I didn't measure this one. But you can play around with your sizes, and then you'll just decide which one is works best for you. But this is a 6x6, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go with the print facing down, just folding it. Actually, I might go this way because I want the pattern going down. So just fold that down. And you're going to open it this way, and then you're going to bring this bottom one up, and you just want to fold it up to however deep you like your pocket, and that will also determine how deep your middle pocket will be as well. So I'm usually quite happy with it, just about here, probably about 1 1/4 inch deep. So that's all I've done there. And then I'm going to just open it up and add some glue to this bottom part up to the fold line, and also this side. I'll bring that up and just press that down. And then we're going to turn this over, and then we're going to apply glue to along down here and across here. But before I do that, I'm just going to show you the different ways. before I adhere it down. So if you want to have your pocket, 3-pocket style this way, all you're going to do is again glue the side here and all along here and fold it over, and then you'll get yourself the front pocket, and you'll have the top pocket and another pocket there. If you want to have a like this style where I've got a little tuck spot here, all you need to do is again fold it over, and then this part here you're going to bring this over, and then you're just going to fold it over to however deep you want your tuck spot to be, and then you're just going to press this down, bring this up, and you're just going to glue all along here up to that fold line, and then you press that down and then adhere that down, and then you'll have your pocket here, you'll have your tuck spot there, middle pocket, and a pocket there. So you can do that. And so again, as this is single-sided paper and you want to have this angle kind of style of a insert, you can just cut this out, which I might do now. I'll cut this one out so you can see. Just cut it where you made that fold. And then this little piece will get placed onto the inside on that corner there, and you're going to adhere that to that top right corner, and then you'll see that it looks like one complete pocket and you won't see that white part. So let's glue that down. And now we can go ahead and glue the complete pocket. So I'm going to open this up. I'm just going to put glue along here. And the bottom. So that should give you now your triple pocket with the angle style pocket. So that's how to do that one. So you can see you're not wasting any paper, and then you've still got that covered up. So these are just some of the different ways you can make the triple pocket with 1 6x6 paper or any size paper you like, and you can have fun. And again, all you're doing is just embellishing this little part here, which is a good thing too, so you're not overthinking what to do to embellish and decorate. And then you can add all of your goodies inside and then have fun decorating. And I hope you enjoyed this really fun, easy tutorial that you can make in 5 minutes. Bye for now.